In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion's Gallery view. If you're looking to visually organize and display your data or ideas in a more visually engaging way, understanding how to set up a gallery view in Notion can be a game changer. To get started, you'll want to open your Notion workspace, where you're ready to create or modify a page. Within any page, you'll have the ability to create a new gallery by typing a simple command. On your keyboard, type the / followed by the word gallery. That's gallery. This is a shortcut that allows you access to setting up a gallery without navigating through various menus. Once you've typed this command, you'll be presented with two different gallery options. You can choose either the Gallery Inline or the Gallery Full Page option. Now, what's the difference between the two? Well, choosing Gallery Inline means that your gallery will be integrated within your existing page, allowing you the flexibility to add other content around it. On the other hand, Gallery Full Page transforms your entire page into a gallery space, offering a dedicated layout for your entries. Next comes the exciting part of adding entries to your gallery. These entries might include visual projects, ideas with attached images, or any pieces of data you find useful to showcase visually. Simply click on the New button within your gallery to start adding. Each entry serves as a card in your gallery, and these cards can be customized extensively. Consider adding a cover image, a title, and any related notes or metadata you wish to retain. As with most features in Notion, the customization doesn't stop there. Once you've created entries, Notion allows you to choose what information from a card pops up on your gallery preview. Items like tags, dates, or task statuses can all be checked to make your gallery more informative at a glance. Note that by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner of your gallery, you can access more settings to further personalize your view. This includes choosing the number of columns, card size, and even customizing the content that appears on each card's preview. One of the remarkable features of Notion's gallery view is how it combines functionality with form. You're not only organizing your information, but doing so in a way that could spark creativity and motivation by displaying projects in a compelling visual format. Especially if you're a visual thinker, this gallery view could significantly enhance your workflow and understanding of the data or projects at hand. Whether you're planning a project layout, organizing digital assets, or simply presenting data for easy navigation, mastering the gallery view is a valuable skill in your Notion toolbox. Now it's time to explore these features yourself and discover how they can enhance your productivity and organization. Happy Notioning!